Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a private torrent in uTorrent. If you want to share a bunch of data with someone real easily, you have a couple gigs of photos that you can't attach to 27 different emails, you don't want to use send space, you got a bunch of albums you want to send to a friend, Word documents, PDFs, doesn't matter. As long as everything's in one folder, you can share your data with multiple people quickly and easily. The first thing you need to do is you need to know the port you have open and the IP address you're using in uTorrent. Easiest way of doing that is just go into Options, Speed Guide, Test if port is forwarded properly. It's going to tell you the port that you have open for uTorrent here and your IP address here. Now I've spoofed my IP address. I don't want to broadcast that, and I've changed my open port. Jot these two numbers down. When your port is open properly, you'll see a green check mark right here. Open up uTorrent again. Options, Preferences. The first thing to do is go down to Advanced. BT Enable Tracker. By default, this is set to false. So if you've never created a private torrent in uTorrent before, this will be set to false. This turns the internal tracker on. Unfortunately, Transmission, which is the popular Mac equivalent to uTorrent, does not have a built-in tracker. uTorrent is one of the few that do. So if you're using uTorrent, this is great. So you just turn your tracker on, click OK. Go back up to Preferences one more time and go to BitTorrent and type in your IP address that you just jotted down on this line right here. And then click OK. Now you're ready to create your torrent. To create your torrent, you simply go to File, Create New Torrent. On this tracker line, type in http:// your IP address, the port you have open that you jotted down, /announce. On the line below it, http:// localhost, all one word, the port you have open, /announce. Make sure these three boxes are checked. Click Add Directory. Find the folder that has all your data in that you want to save, your MP3s, your FLACs, your PDFs, your JPEGs, a mixture of everything, folders within folders. As long as it's in one folder, you're good. Click OK. Once you're done with that, you're going to click Create and Save As. Name whatever you want to keep your torrent, navigate to where you want to save it to. I'm just going to keep it right on my desktop. Click Save. And it's going to add it, and then at this point you can click Close. So I just paused this recording for a second and I just went back and added my real IP address and my real port number and recreated the torrent because I wanted you to see once it's done properly. You might have to hit stop and play or start again over here, but if it's everything set up properly, you'll see a green arrow here and you'll see status seating over here. If anyone connects to you, you'll see who's connected to you. If you clicked on tracker, I'm not going to, it's going to show you all the data of your tracker. I don't want to expose my IP address or my port. But if you clicked on the tracker tab, it'll give you total stats on uploads and downloads and all that information. So that's pretty much all you need to know. Just enable your tracker, type in your IP address, and create your torrent. And once you're seeding this, just go back to your desktop, find the torrent file, whatever you named it, and email that torrent file to your friend, and he can open it up in his or her torrent client, and that's all you need to know. And they'll be downloading that like a public torrent. Good luck, have fun.